Fairphone is taking a different approach to the smartphone market. Instead of pushing people toward a new phone every few years, it wants you to keep the same device running for as long as possible. And with the new Fairphone 6 Plus, that idea is finally reaching US buyers directly. The Fairphone 6 Plus, also known as the Gen 6 Plus, is the company's first phone officially launched in the United States through Fairphone itself. It keeps the modular design of the Fairphone Gen 6, but upgrades some of the key hardware. Inside, you get Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 processor, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and 256 gigabytes of storage with microSD expansion. The 6.3 1-inch OLED display supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, while the camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main camera with optical stabilization, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. There's also a removable 4,415 mAh battery with 30-watt charging, plus IP55 water and dust resistance, and Gorilla Glass 70 protection. But the biggest feature isn't found on the spec sheet, it's repairability. 12 major components can be replaced using just one Torx screwdriver, including parts like the screen and battery. Official replacement parts range from roughly $8 to $90, meaning a damaged component doesn't automatically turn into an excuse to buy another phone. Fairphone is also keeping its lime green switch button, which activates Fairphone Moments, a simplified mode that cuts distractions and limits the phone to essential apps and notifications. In the US, the Fairphone 6 Plus costs $649.99 and comes in cobalt blue, forest green, and horizon black. It runs standard Android 16 with Google services and supports T-Mobile and AT&T. Fairphone is backing the phone with a 5-year warranty, software support extending to 2032, and a focus on fair trade materials and lower carbon impact. So you're not necessarily buying the fastest phone for the money. You're buying something designed to stay useful. And in a market full of sealed devices and yearly upgrades, the Fairphone 6 Plus makes a simple argument. The most sustainable smartphone may be the one you don't have to replace,